Is your Epson ET-2720 printer suddenly refusing to print anything? Don't worry, though this is actually a pretty common issue. Most of the time, it's either a clogged nozzle or your printer's firmware just needs an update. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 quick and easy methods to get your printer back to printing again. So stick around, follow along step by step, and let's fix this together. If you need help, call the numbers on your screen. Let's dive in.
Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date.
Method 1. Cancel all pending print jobs. On your Windows computer, open your control panel to access printer settings. Open Hardware and Sound from the control panel menu options. Click on Devices and Printers to see all connected printers and devices listed. Right-click on the Epson ET-2720 printer in the list and select See What's Printing. In the new window that opens showing the print queue, click on Printers in the menu bar. Click Cancel All Documents to remove all pending and stuck print jobs from the queue. In the confirmation box that appears, select Yes to verify and confirm your action. Your print queue is now cleared. If clearing the print queue didn't fix the printing issue, let's update your firmware. Method 2. Update printer firmware. Open your web browser. Go to the official Epson firmware update website. Scroll down on the page and click on the Downloaded Here hyperlink to access the download page. On the page you're redirected to, locate the download button under your device's operating system. Choose the folder where you want to save the file and then click on Save to download it to your chosen folder. Once the download completes, navigate to the downloaded application file on your computer. Right-click on the downloaded file and select Run as Administrator to launch it with the proper permissions. In the Epson software update window that opens, read through the license agreement carefully. Click Agree to Epson EULA window to accept the terms, then click OK to continue. In the Epson software updater window, select your Epson ET-2720 printer model from the list. Wait while the Epson software updater checks for available software updates for your printer. Once Update appears in the updater window, locate and check the firmware updater option. Click on the Install Items button to begin downloading and preparing the firmware update. Read through the license agreement again and select Agree, then click OK to proceed. Wait while the firmware updater downloads the latest firmware version, your Epson ET-2720. In the Epson firmware updater window, read all the instructions and precautions about updating carefully. Click on the Start button to begin the actual firmware update process on your printer. Wait while the firmware update preparation completes. Don't interrupt or unplug anything during this time. Once the firmware update is finished, click Finish to close the updater and complete the installation. If clearing the print queue didn't fix the printing issue, let's update your firmware. Method 3. Perform power cleaning. If you follow this method, you'll need to wait 12 hours before using your printer to ensure the best quality. Check that each tank on your Epson ET-2720 is at least one-third full before proceeding. Turn off your printer completely using the power button. On the operational panel, press and hold both the power button and the help button simultaneously. Watch the printer screen for a message asking to run power cleaning. Once you see it, release both buttons. Press the OK button to confirm and start power cleaning process on your printer. Wait for several minutes while your printer performs the power cleaning cycle. Once power cleaning is complete, your printer will notify you. Press OK to confirm. After power cleaning, wait at least 12 hours before using the printer again for best quality results. Also, if the video is helping you, please subscribe to our channel. After 12 hours have passed, try printing a document to see if your Epson ET-2720 is now printing properly.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.